If you've been feeling depressed lately, then I have the solution for you. And if you apply the 3 tips that I'm going to give you throughout this video, then I guarantee that depression is going to be a myth for you. You won't feel depressed anymore. So the first thing is you should realize that you are wasting your potential. Like 99% of the cases that I meet, including my friends and including myself, feel depressed because they know that they could do some things and they are not doing it. You have a potential. Imagine that you could be here, but you are here. And you are here and you know that you could reach this point, but you don't take action and you stay here. The longer you stay here, the more depressed you are going to feel, and this is what you are going through. You are staying here while you can reach here or even here, or you can't even see my hand. Your potential is limitless. I always say that. So start taking action. Whatever you want to achieve, start taking like baby steps towards it. Like even baby steps are going to get rid of that depression that you are feeling. So start taking action. Like for, let's say you want to get stronger. This is a basic example. The first step is getting a gym membership. You can't get a gym membership, you can start doing push-ups and running, and you go out for a run or something. But you can start doing push-ups like right now. You can do push-ups. This is baby steps. You can go get down and give me 10 push-ups. This is the first step to get stronger. And simply doing this will get rid of that depression, because you know that you did something in order to get close to that potential. Like, there's this theory that every man that lives doesn't even get close to his potential. Like, imagine if you can reach 100%, but most people just stay at 20%. And these people, by the way, are the people who are doing like maximum effort, who are trying hard, who are working out, who are building their skills, doing everything right, and going hard on their self-improvement journey. There's this theory that they are only on their 20% of their potential. Like, there's no one who gets closer to his potential. You can't reach your potential because, as I said, your potential is limitless. But the only thing you can do is walk towards it and get closer to it. And try to get the closest you can to it. So start acting on your potential. And the second thing is, you are feeding your body literally depression. If you are consuming junk food, not knowing what you feed your body, not picky with what you eat, not training, not doing anything that takes care of your body, that you reward your body with, then how do you expect yourself not to feel depressed? Because you have a body, and your body literally dictates your mood. Like, I did this experiment with myself. It's been like 6 months or so. I had like a period of exams, a hard period, like when we had a lot. I've been stressed on that period. I was briefly I was stressed on that period. I couldn't cook food. I couldn't go out to buy healthy food and my usual healthy food, like chicken, like rice, everything that I cook personally to stay healthy for the gym and everything. In that period, briefly, I was going out eating junk food because I didn't have time to cook. That period ended up being the worst period of my life because I did feel empty. I don't know how I can explain this feeling, but I felt empty because I was consuming food that poisoned my body. Even if I'm not regretting that because I didn't have time. But if I went back in time and got the chance to do it again, I would pressure myself into cooking food myself and into eating healthy food. Like, healthy food is very easy to eat. You could go out, get some chicken and cook it. There are multiple tutorials on that. You could even eat some simple eggs. Eggs are healthy. It's better than going out or ordering some burger or something. Eat healthy. The moment you start eating healthy, you will have peace of mind, you will be sharper, you won't feel depressed, your testosterone is going to go through the roof, your muscles are going to recover faster, you are going to literally develop superhuman strength. So start eating healthy. What's keeping you from that? It's literally a life hack. And the sad truth is that I don't see a lot of people doing it. It should be obvious that when you hear this, you should start eating healthy. People eat healthy. You know the ROI that we have in business? The ROI of eating healthy is through the roof. Just by eating healthy, you will get all those benefits that I stated before. And it only takes some time. It's better than eating outside. When you go outside, you should go to a restaurant, get in the queue, wait for your order. When you eat healthy, you only have to go like once a week to the supermarket, buy chicken, buy everything that you like, depending on your choice. And you go back and you will have food for literally the whole week. You should just get up every day and cook it. It's as simple as that. It doesn't even have to taste good. And the last thing I want you to realize is that you should stop playing a bitch. You should start taking control over your life. And I promise you, the moment you do, you will realize how much of a bitch you were, how much of a pussy you were, because you were taking everyone's bullshit. You were letting everyone walk over you. Start developing an ego. Like, this is the most unspoken, this is like the best advice that I've ever heard, and funny enough, I don't see a lot of people talking about it. And this is for the guys who stayed. Develop an ego. Stop being a pussy. Develop an ego. Don't let people walk over you. Don't let, like, fate decide what you're going to be. Like, fate plays a role, but you can take control. There are people who blame, like, everything. The moment they realize that they could blame something, they start blaming it. I didn't get that grade. Oh well, the teacher didn't do his job very well. I stopped going to the gym. Oh, because the weather was bad. Stop blaming outside things. The only one you can blame is yourself. If you didn't do something, it's on you. It's you who didn't do it. Nothing can stop you from doing something. Like, I have this example, like David Goggins. He's a human, right? Does he ever stop doing what he says he is going to do? No. He runs through rain. He runs through, I don't know, like, you can go search his videos and you will see how far you can push it, because this guy is literally my inspiration. You could watch his videos and you will see how far you can push it. Like, the guy is right now is 50 years old and he's still getting after it. So stop blaming outside things and start blaming yourself. Take responsibility over your life. Stop being a pussy. Like, briefly stop being a pussy and start taking control. You can change everything in your life the moment you realize that you can. So start doing action. Stop blaming outside things. And take control. Like, you are literally, imagine that you are driving a car and you are letting go of the steering wheel, and when you go hit a tree, you wonder, why did I hit the tree? The tree was in the way. Motherfucker, you weren't holding the steering wheel. Start holding it. Take control over your life. Click here to watch more, and as always, stay hard.